what actually we're talking about.
Yes.
That a song or a piece of music can give you a lot of information about music, society, the context in which it was made, etc. So it was not only about patriotic songs, it was also about forms like kajri or khayal or ghazal, qawwali, etc. And there were like different episodes which were put together by the very well-known theatre director Sunil Shanbag, who invited actors to workshop with us to learn compositions, like let's say a dadra or one of these compositions. One of the episodes in that theatre production was about Vidyadhari Bai, who had attended that sabha addressed by Gandhiji, where he had said that as public figures who are singing to very important people also and in many, to many listeners, why don't you slip in a song of protest in your repertoire? Sing everything else also, whatever you do, but slip in a song of protest. And Amritlal Nagarji, who wrote a wonderful book called Ye Kothe Waliyan, he mentions this incident and mentions that he asked many of the women musicians of the times to tell him about the songs they sang. Vidyadhari Bai was then very senior, and she said she couldn't really remember, but she later sent him a letter, an Indian letter, in which she wrote the lyrics of one of the songs that she sang. Chun chun ke phool le lo, arman reh na jaye, ye hind ka bagicha gulzar reh na jaye. So loot us as much as you want, but we will still remain together.
You can say no and I won't feel jilted at all, but the heart wants what the heart wants. I know what this sounds like when you sing it. And when you say it, it's beautiful, but when you sing it...
Initial competition.
But, sure. But don't tell me to be a table player.
No. The E and the A, I know the vowel differences.
Earlier, there used to be a caption under photographs. Whenever there was a tabla player, it would be auto-corrected table player.
Sir, ये Tawfiq bhai और Zakir साहब ने किया है.
So it went something like this. चुन चुन के फूल ले लो, अरमान रह न जाए, ये हिंद का बगीचा गुलजार रह न जाए, ये हिंद का बगीचा गुलजार रह न जाए. It was like this.